Hello everyone, it's just a very quick video to go with my latest free printable, which is this. So you can go over to my website www.funcraftstodoathome.com and you can print this off either in A4 or US letter size. Once you've printed it off onto 180 GSM glossy paper, just take a craft knife and a metal ruler and cut your strips up, or if you are lucky enough to have an electronic cutter such as a Cricut or a Silhouette, which is what I'm using here, you can cut your strips much faster and cut lots and lots of them. So once you've got all your strips, you need to take some gold washi tape or any gold foil tape. Cut your pieces of tape first, it just makes your workflow easier. Then do exactly as you see me doing here, and if you need to you can just trim any pieces off that didn't go on there evenly. And to roll these beads I am going to be using my 3mm paper bead rolling tool, which you can buy in my Etsy shop. But before you start to roll, I would suggest, because the gold foil makes the bead strips quite stiff, you need to take a kebab stick and kind of tease the end of the bead strip round it. I mean, you can even use the kebab stick to actually roll the paper bead, but I prefer using a proper paper bead tool so that I can make sure that I get them rolled nice and tightly. I personally don't have much success rolling with kebab stick, but you may find it easier than I do. So the reason that you are going to kind of shape it around the kebab stick first before you roll is because the gold foil makes these strips quite stiff, and when you try to slot the end into the bead tool, sometimes it pops out when you start to roll. But if you shape it first, it doesn't do that. So these are the beads you get. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, I hope you enjoyed this very quick video, and I will have a longer video for you with something else very soon. Meanwhile, pop over to www.funcraftstodoathome.com and pick up this free printable and make your lovely beads. There are actually loads of free printables over on my website, so make sure you go over there and have a look, and hopefully you will find lots of free printables that you can use in your craft. I will see you again very soon in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to leave me a comment, please feel free to leave a comment underneath. Take care, see you soon, bye.